Squid Game Season 3 just dropped, but it's not the deadly games everyone's talking about. It's this baby delivery scene that broke the internet. In episode number 2, player 222 shockingly gives birth mid game with zero pain, no blood, no medical help, and somehow the baby is ready to jump into the next round just like a nursery game. Fans were stunned. No placenta, no crying, no recovery. It looked like she delivered a doll, not a newborn. Even her broken ankle got more screen time than her labor. And also, Twitter called it the most unrealistic scene in TV history. Some accused the creators of pushing bizarre birth rate propaganda, while others slam it for being written by someone who clearly doesn't understand how babies were actually born. Some fans even demanded an apology from the writers for treating this, and it creates a huge scenario and a piece of debate.